She'll want to jump on you, that's the only thing.
I got 2 at home.
Oh, nice. Have a good one. Come on, Raven, let's go. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, oh, you can't go down to that stream. It's too far. Come on. A little bumpy here. Out that way. Hold on. Take a quick break here. That's a hiking trail out that way. The map. Sherwood Forest, huh? I think we're gonna stay on the main trail. Good girl. We're gonna go up this hill. Come on. Good girl. Up we go. It's a little steep. I'm gonna walk the scooter up here. Steep and bumpy. What do you smell? How's it going, everybody? Hard to respond to the comments when we're really moving. Hey, Rick, how you doing? Thanks for stopping by. This is our first time out on this trail. Here it's gonna flatten out a little bit. We've got a, looks to be a beaver pond up here. Ready, Raven? Oh, there's the other road. All right, we made it across pretty much. Check this out. Let me pick my phone up. There's a beaver lodge in the middle there. Whoa, Raven, hold on. Let's see if I can zoom in. Check it out. Hold on, Raven. A little shaky. Beaver pond. The mountains. She does